Hey guys, it's time for our Blue Razz Summer Splash Smoothie. And what we're gonna do is start with ice, fresh red raspberries that you can get from the grocery store. Of course, you're gonna use Dr. Tom's Blue Razz. We're gonna use a whole scoop of that. You can actually use a scoop and a half and it will make it super sweet for the kids, will love it. What kid doesn't want to go to 7-Eleven and have a Blue Razz, but this has no sugar in it. Plus, it helps with all of the amino acids for your brain, makes your kids intelligent. And we're gonna add a little extra lemon and lime, so I'm just gonna put a little squirt in there of each of those, and that makes it really tart. Kids love Sour Patch, so you're gonna make this as tart as possible. The last thing I'm gonna add, which you don't have to, but sometimes the kids feel a little anxious and stressed out about different things, or their gut flora is not right, so that will cause them to feel anxious, or even as a mom. So you just take the GABA, the G-A-B-A, and open one capsule and just put it inside of that drink right there, that smoothie. We're gonna add a little bit of coconut milk just to make it creamy. And we're gonna flip this baby over, blend it up, and have the most delicious Blue Razz. Man, look at those raspberries. That thing looks delicious. This is gonna be one of your best smoothies out there. Woo, look at that thing. Nice and creamy. We're gonna add a little whipped cream. This way, I'm gonna feel like I am at the beach having the COVID-19 beach party in my house. Cheers.